That's working the video and here sister. So this one is not for all smartphone. With this one, I did it on the Android device. So if you use Android, you can do this. And even with Android, not all smartphone that will be able to do this. So just in case your phone did not support, let me know the phone type. If your support as well, let us know the phone type so that just in case someone is using the same phone and then face any issue, the person can ask you right there or just drop it and then we can also follow up for the person. Okay, so yes, this is what we do here. Just make sure to subscribe and like the video for more videos right here on this platform. Let's get into how you can set a Muslim calendar or a Christian calendar. Let's start with it. Let's go.
So look for your calendar app and tap on it. When you tap on your calendar app, if it is the first time that you're opening it, it will need to get access to your calendar, as in your main phone calendar. And also you have to allow calendar to notify you of one or two things. Then just tap on allow. Okay, after that, look at the top right corner right here. Top right, tap on it. When you tap on it, then you go to settings right here. Then you tap on settings. When you tap on settings, it will also try to access your contact. With this, you can also not allow it, but I always prefer you allow it to also get access to your contact with one or two things as well. Then look right here, okay, and scroll down a little. So I scroll down, we have region. So first, select your region right here, just in case it is not automatically set. So mine is Ghana. Then we have the religious holidays. Tap on it. So when you tap on it, then right here, you come and select Christian holidays or Muslim holidays. Okay. So let me just use the Muslim for the first time. Then I will tap on done right here. And then the other calendar. Okay. We have other calendars as well. Tap on that one and then look for the Muslim one, which is this. Then you tap on it to turn it on. After that, we have the adjust Ramadan calendar. Okay, so I don't know more or much about the Ramadan calendar, but when you tap on it, then you will just check to see whether it is a minus 2 days or 1 day, or it is the same day as today. Okay, so now let's go back and let me show you something. Let's go back, and when you look right here, we have August 2024. When you look down, we have the Safar 1446. Just in case I do not mention it well, kindly forgive me about that one. Okay, and we have the today's date right here. So we have 2721. So the 21 is the month for the Muslim one. Okay, so the Muslim is 21, and then the normal one that we have is the 27. So when you tap on the three dots at the top right corner, just in case you notice that the Ramadan is not the same as today's date, then you tap on it. You tap on settings, you scroll down, you go to adjust Ramadan calendar. Then let's say minus 2 days, okay, or let's say +1, which will make it 22. Then let's go back, and then you could see 22 right here. So just adjust your Ramadan calendar by just going to your settings, and then you can change it right there. And then let's go back and let me show you one thing. When you look at this side, we have this right here. You tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on it, to give you this option, we have the year, month, week, and then we have the agenda. Tap on the agenda. Okay, when you tap on the agenda, it will give you the holidays in Ghana per the location that you selected, and also the upcoming or outgone occasion that has really passed for the whole year. Okay, so we have from January all these holidays, Ramadan starting from this side, and then we have Eid al-Fitr right here and holiday. So you may see all the holidays upcoming, and then also if the Ramadan is near and all those occasions. So yes, you can check them all out here. And then also you can tap on it to set an alarm for it. Okay, so you could see start Thursday, April. Yes, and then you can change it right there. You can give a little description right here, and then you can also set reminders as well on this platform. So it will really help you a lot. So if you're a Muslim, then this is the best calendar for you. And then we have this side to tap on it and then switch to month so that you can get this. Okay, so there is it for Muslims. Okay, so now Christians, let me show you how. But before that, kindly like the video for me so that I'll be able to do more for you. Just tap on the turn line, just go to settings, and first let's deactivate this. Okay, and then you turn on the Christian holidays. So you will have the Christian calendar by tapping down right here, and then we have That's the religious holidays, and then we have the other calendars. Tap on it, and then tap. I'm sorry. Tap on it, and then tap on none right here. Tap on none, then go back. Okay, so yours too, you will see it depending on the one that you select. So when it is December, you will be seeing all this as well. So this is how you can set to either a Christian calendar or a Muslim calendar. Stay alive and bye for now.